Hey guys, welcome back to my new YouTube channel, Being Me. In this video, I'm going to be making a unicorn bracelet with a heart charm. And all you need is pink rubber bands, blue rubber bands, and the little S-clips. I have a lot. They look like kind of infinities that don't go all the way across. And if you have C-clips, that's also fine, but let's just get started with the video. First, always you have to do this first, because you can't do it while you're making your bracelet, because it will just mess your bracelet up. So first you're going to open this a little bit, and then you're going to put the little, whatever color you want in. You're going to close it back up. That's simple. Now let's start with the video. So first you're going to make like this little infinity sign. Then you're going to use the opposite color. And then you're going to make the opposite color again. I'm going with blue, pink, blue. You can go with pink, blue, pink. I'm just showing you how to make one with a charm, but I really wanted to do a unicorn theme. So, and then you're going to flip the infinity sign over. And then you're going to get the other color. And then I'll make another unicorn one as my thumbnail, because I've already made one with an actual unicorn charm, but I don't have unicorn charms anymore, so. Now blue. And then you're going to repeat that same method over and over, but you're not going to do the infinity sign because that'll make a weird dent in your bracelet. And then you're going to pull it over, and then you're going to always pull the last one over. So where it looks like this. If it doesn't look like this, you might have messed up in one of the steps. And you're going to get the opposite color again. And then you're going to put it over and go like this. I think you guys got it now. So I'll see you guys whenever I finish my bracelet. Bye. Hey guys, I am back. So now I did this much. I'm not going to be done because I still have to show you guys how to put the little heart thing on. As you know, you already put the rubber band on. You should have. And now I'm that close. Now you're going to have to put this over. And then you're going to move it to wherever you want. I pick in the front. And then you pull it over. You just keep doing the same method over and over again. So then you would have a cute little charm with your bracelet. So I'll get back to you guys when I finish. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. This is my finished product. See how it's like this, and then when you're doing that, you have to flip one over to where there's only one rubber band on there. Now you're going to flip one rubber band onto the other finger with the other rubber band. And you're going to hold it on one finger like that. Wait, like this. And when you do that, you're going to grab your S or C clip. You're going to put both of them onto one hook. Like this. To where it's only on one hook. And then you're going to add the blue, whatever color it is, to the other side. And you have your bracelet with the charm. And now you can wear it anywhere. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!